Hi guys, yes, I've come to save you guys. I've come to save you guys from this stress here. This stress that I cannot follow more than 5,000 people on Facebook. I've come to save you guys. Lately I've been seeing a lot of videos online, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I've been seeing content creators telling their followers to go and convert their Facebook account to professional mode so that they can get monetized, all these monetization things. I've been seeing that video and then I'm just worried. Even me, I went to do it because I needed money too. I needed to get my account monetized. Yes, I went to do it too, but it was not working. It was not working because Facebook account, they only allow 5,000 followers. 5,000 followers, which is not going to work. You cannot be creating content for just 5,000 people. You need more people. Yes, you need more people. You need a lot of engagement to get your account monetized on Facebook. So, I'll be teaching you guys on what to do to overcome that stress. First and foremost, just let me break this news for you. That account, you're not going to use it for that monetization this thing again. This is what you need to do. First of all, make sure you are following me and make sure you like this content. And after I teach you this thing, make sure you share the video to your friends. Make sure you share the video to your friends. Yes. So this is what you are going to do. First of all, you go to this place. So now you are creating a page under that your Facebook account. So when you're operating on a page, you can have any amount of followers you want on a Facebook page. So you click on page. And now you click on create. Then you click on get started. Once it opens like this, you put the name you want there and then you click next. So like that, if you are using a Facebook page, you can have 1 million followers, you can have 10 million followers. It is infinity. It's just like TikTok, it is infinity. You see this person now is operating a Facebook page with 802k followers. And this is my own account here in case you want to follow me. This is my Facebook page. I'm just growing it. I've hit 5,000 followers already. And the sweetest part is that your Facebook page is going to be under your Facebook account. So all you just need to do is just invite your Facebook friends to join your Facebook page. And as you can see, I have more than 5,000 followers already. So it's going up. It's going up. It's infinity. So that's how it is. So if this tutorial is useful to you, make sure you like this post and make sure you share to your friends and make sure you are following us for more contents like this. I go by the name DJ Yomsi. Make sure you follow me. If you don't follow me now, make sure you follow me. I go by the name DJ Yomsi. Peace out.